Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, I got a really nice holster completed. This is a custom build. If you guys are interested, go to threeriverkydex.com. Check out on all the options that I have up there. This is an outside the waistband and it is a custom build. So I'm building it for the Glock 43. It also has a Nightstick. I believe this is the 8500XL. All right, pretty decent, and it also has a Holosun optic on there. And the difference between this one, it doesn't have a plate. It's actually milled into the slide. All right, this is not my weapon. This is a customer's weapon. They wanted an outside the waistband holster. This is a black and I want to say gray, black and gray camo pattern. Outside the waistband, it does have 2 belt loops. Nice sweat guard. Okay, not so easy to make, but fits really well. And I'm going to roll the footage on how we made it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So, what I need you guys to do is go to 3riverkydex.com. Go to 3River Kydex, check out all the options I have up there if you want something like this built. Now, I don't have a huge plethora of firearms, so hopefully if you have something, you could also reach out to me on the email and let me know what you're looking for. I also have a lot of forms up there. The website is getting updated, guys, so I need you to stick around. Check out all the stuff. I know I don't get back to you guys right away, but understand custom orders are going to be a little bit more expensive than the regular run-of-the-mill stuff. This happens to have a nightstick flashlight, which is very difficult to find holsters for these, and a Halo Optic Sun. Again, not with the plate, just milled directly into the slide. So I needed to make sure that I had enough clearance. Okay, these are 1.5 belt loops outside the waistband. Has the weapons light in there, and it fits very, very nicely. Alright, I didn't put a tensioner in there because I don't think you really need it on this one. This one actually fits very, very well. Again, gun's not coming out anywhere. Alright, on the back, I just went with a black G10. To me, I think that was a better option because on these graphic Kydex, as you can see in there, it's more of a brown, so I wanted to match it up, as opposed to just having a brown sweat guard. I think black with black and gray Kydex works out very, very well. So, what you can do to support me, go to 3River Kydex, obviously. Mag pouches, holsters, med kit, also making bear spray holsters and OC spray holsters, so that's coming out soon. Make sure you go to the website, become a Patreon member. Also go to 3riverblades.com. You guys know me from 3River Blades. Also check out 3River Survival on YouTube. I'm going to put all the links down below. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. I really appreciate your support. Put some comments down below. Give me the thumbs up and become a subscriber. As always, guys, please stay safe.